Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD90. In this video I'll show you how to turn on the Hygienic program. Firstly, take a look at your dryer, and the Hygienic program can be enabled only on cotton, mixed, towels and sport program. Simply press Hygienic to enable it. Hygienic program usually adds 1.5 hour to whole cycle, and it sets the dry level to hottest. And that's basically it. If you want to disable this function, again press Hygienic program. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.